Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing this gorgeous day? I am so excited to film today's video because I'm gonna be doing a full tutorial. A freaking tutorial. I've not done a tutorial in forever. And it's gonna be my classic go-to known as MannyMua Copper Eye Nude Lip tutorial on this face. The face, she's already beat. The mug is done. She's blushed, she's bronzed, she's painted. It is what it is. But I'm actually so excited to be filming this video because I'm gonna be using my collaboration with Morphe. This is my MannyMua Glam palette with Morphe brushes. This is my personal one. She's been abused. She's been used and she's been abused. The house down boots. But I am just so excited to actually be able to film my first ever tutorial using this palette and using my brush kit as well. I am so excited for this collaboration. The fact that it's 20 bucks, like $18 with the code, is truly just so insane to me, and being able to create a really cute go-to palette for this amount of money is something I've always wished I could do, but I never could. So I'm actually really excited to be able to do this. Thank you, Morphe, for doing this with me. I appreciate it so much. But yeah, you guys, I'm gonna stop rambling. I want to do a tutorial. I want to do my eyes and lips on camera because that is what I feel like I'm known for nowadays. My brand! I do a very nice neutral eye. It's just what I love. It's what I love to use with this palette specifically. I use this palette for this all the time, and I thought it would be really fun to do a tutorial because I haven't done one in so long. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video. As always, if you guys don't like this video, if you guys don't like me, please don't fucking watch it. You know the drill with that. But if you guys do like this video, please go give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And if you're new, what is up? I'm MannyMua and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate it so much. So yeah, let's go and get into today's tutorial. In today's tutorial. The face of a fucking angel. Anyways, guys, I actually have a nude background today because I love my nudes. Send nudes if you would like. If you're a man. I've gotten girl nudes before and it was shocking. Okay guys, so let's go and get into this mug. I'm already primed on the eyelids. You guys, for these shadows, I would recommend using a regular eye primer, not necessarily concealer. If you want to use concealer, that's obviously totally fine, but I feel like regular primer grasps onto Morphe shadows just better. I feel like it just works better with this kind of situation. So I'm actually using the Anastasia primer on my eyes right now. I'm gonna set it with some face powder after. So that is what's on my eyes right now. Let's go and go in and use these brushes. Are you kidding me? Like with this cute little, like the free bag that it comes with, like a little makeup bag with brushes inside, like, are you kidding me? The cutest I've ever seen. $85 value for $48. And you can use the code. So it's what? $43 for 9 brushes? Bitch! Okay, so let's start this Copper Eye Nude Lip Fantasy. And we're gonna go in with the shades Sophie and Boy Next Door. And that's gonna go on my Morphe M535. Of course, this is in the kit, my favorites kit. I'm gonna just dip into Sophie and Boy Next Door. I love these shades so much because it's like, I wanted to have a palette that had a lot of transitions in it, and that's exactly what I built with this palette. I wanted to have the everyday go-to palette that you can just throw into the crease, throw on the lid, and go. And something also that plays really well with others. I feel like this palette plays so nicely with glitters, with shimmers, with, you know, so many different things that you can put on to the lid, which is why I built it the way I did. And I just love it. I feel like these colors complement each other so well. Boy Next Door is like a really pretty brown with a yellowish undertone. And Sophie is a gorgeous brown with a pink undertone. So I feel like they just give me this gorgeous neutral moment that I want to just always have into my crease. It's like the perfect crease shade to me. Like that to me is just honestly perfection. And I just like to blend them so well. So what we're doing, you guys, we're just taking that brush that's a really fluffy compact brush, and I'm just blowing that up into the crease. Blow it up like you blow up the bathroom after too many hot Cheetos, girl. You know exactly what I'm talking about. You know exactly what I'm talking about. But that can go everywhere because they blend so easily. They're so easy to use. Just honestly, it's a transition shade. If you are having trouble using these transition shades, it shouldn't be that hard. You know what I'm saying? You guys, I'm just so stoked to be doing this because it's like, I feel like it's been such a long time coming. You know, I was their 3rd ever affiliate. I knew like Chris and Linda, like the founders of Morphe, when they were just at their Burbank store location. Like their offices were literally in the back of the store. So it just like is so cool to see where they've gotten now. And we have been in the talks in the works to do a collaboration for so long now, and finally it's like come to fruition. And I'm not saying over here like I've been working on this collab for 5 fucking years. Like, no, that's not what I'm saying. I'm saying that I've been working on this palette for a good amount of time now. And you know, it's funny because I have my own brand now. I create my own eyeshadows. I create my own products I want to create, but I'm not able to create products like this at the price that Morphe offers it. I can't do it. I wanted to be able to create something that I could have for my followers, but not break the bank. You know, it's something that people will actually use and love and travel with, and it's easy to use, and that's exactly what I created with this collaboration. So I'm just really, honestly, very, very, very proud of it, honestly. Now I'm going in with M433, and I'm gonna take the shade Zaya, which is a gorgeous, like, deeper brown. It's honestly just stunning, and obviously it's named after Zaya, my dog, who literally, like, this is her color. Like, that is her color. It's just a really pretty neutral, more on the warm side brown shade. And I just like to use this for deepening the crease. And it honestly just plays really, really well with the other two shades because it's a little bit deeper. And I just like to kind of give me that extra little oomph. And then I'm just gonna blend that with my M535. So I'm just gonna show you guys the difference right here. So I'm just gonna go and add that Zaya shade at the outer corner and just really blend it. You guys, seriously, as I'm saying, like, it blends so easy. These mattes are truly chef's fucking kiss, man. They are a chef's kiss. We just have more depth and dimension and just give me more of a smoky vibe out here, but not getting too deep or too crazy. You know what I mean? Like, this is just something I use all the time. I use these shades almost every single time I do any kind of neutral soft eye or like any kind of copper eye moment. Like, this is exactly what I use. Ugh. It's just so pretty. Oh my God, it's just so stunting. Hey guys, so now I'm gonna go in with the shimmer in the shade Scorpio. It's actually really, really funny because the 4 shimmers in this palette are all, like, the names of them are all based off of my family's sign. So I put the 4 shades in front of them. I was like, which shadows do you guys like best? And they all picked their favorite shade, and that's exactly what it is. My dad's a Scorpio, Aaron's a Leo, my brother Nick is a Cancer, and my mom's an Aries, and they picked these 4 shades. I mean, we have Zaya, every single one of my family members involved. Like, this is a very involved palette. Like, they were very, very in it with me, so I wanted to have them, a part of them in the palette as well with me. So you guys, these 4 shimmers, they're just shimmer shadows. They're not like metallics, they're not crazy glitters, they're just shimmer shades. I wanted to go back to the basics and just really, really keep it calm and cute and just have a really pretty pop of shimmer on the lid, inner corner, wherever you might want it. And so what I like to do to intensify them is I'll actually use a setting spray. So for example, I'll take a setting spray. Lipstick Nick taught me this. So she'll spray it onto like her mirror or whatever surface she has there, and she'll get the brush. I'm taking the M421, of course it's in the kit, and I'll load up that brush with the liquid, and I'll take the shade Scorpio and the shimmer and just run my brush in there. And it gives you more of an intensity and more of a pop. And I just really didn't think about putting the liquid on it first. I love that idea, so I'm like, bitch, hello, I'm doing that. So that's what we're gonna take the shade Scorpio, and it's gonna go, girl, come on, hello. It just makes it so much more cute and just gives it a nice pop. And it's gonna go all over our lid. And this is just a really gorgeous pale gold. I was shocked when I saw my dad pick it. I was like, you want me to have a full copper eye moment? And it's actually, you guys, so funny because I feel like the whole copper eye term, I talked about this, of course, in my reveal video, but I feel like the term copper eye nude lip, like, it started off as like a funny little like joke to make fun of me because, you know, I was like so basic and I didn't really deserve what I had because all I ever did was neutral looks, right? And I remember when when that, like, people would say that to me or drama channels would say that about me and just kind of start that like thing, I was actually really, really embarrassed. It made me feel like self-conscious of what I enjoyed to do, which was neutrals, and I loved playing with shadows, of course. And you guys, when I first started like my makeup career in general, I did more bold, intense, crazy, avant-garde looks. Like, I did that, you know, and I loved doing that. I really, really did. But as I got older and as I got into makeup more, I found what I loved, and that was doing neutral copper eyes and a nude lip. That's what I enjoy doing. When, you know, people would say things about me, and drama channels would like start this like little like name making fun of me. And it's so funny that like as time has progressed and as time has gone, I've actually started to wear that name as like a badge of pride. And it's like, yeah, bitch, I do like doing a copper eye and a new lip, and what of it, I look good in it and I'm good at doing it. Taking that same Zaya shade, Sophie, Boy Next Door, just kind of mix them all together. Super, super easy. This is what Scorpio looks like. I'm just gonna show you a swatch on my hand. So it looks like right there. Boom, boom, boom. She looks like that. Scorpio is just like a really pretty pale gold. It's a shimmer, but we can get it to like a really pretty metallic finish with a nice squirt of some Fix Plus or just wetting the brush in general. That's how I like to use them the most. All the shimmers I have here, I enjoy using them wet. That's like how I enjoy it because I like the intensity. But for those people that don't really like an intense moment all the time, I totally understand that. And that's why I created shimmers, because it's easier to build up, but it's harder to take away. So now we're gonna go in with the lower lash line. Taking, of course, a E36 brush, which of course is in my little fucking kit. I'm gonna take the shade Zaya and Sophie. Mix these two together. That's gonna go in the lower lash line, and we're just gonna marry the whole top look with the bottom. You guys, I use this brush so freaking much, it's not even funny. And I use it for like everything. I use it for like my lower lash line blending. I use it to highlight when it's like a clean. I'll put it in my inner corner. It fits there perfectly. It fits on my brow bone. It just works. It just fucking works. I'm gonna go and put that on my lower lash line and blend her on out. Super easy. Just to kind of give you all just a married look. Oh, stunting. I love it. I love a fucking neutral glam moment. I love it so much. But I'm also really happy that this palette, like I decided to throw in, you know, Gementa, for example, because it was a just gorgeous pop of magenta, and like Fire Witch, it gives you this gorgeous like coral pop as well. Like I wanted to have the ability to kind of go all out if I wanted to, or just really take it there with a really warm, intense look, or keep it neutral, soft glam if I wanted as well. I'm gonna take a little bit of Howl. That's gonna go my lower lash line, closest to my lashes. Just to add a little bit more dimension. This is my like dimension shade, right? This is the one that gives you like that depth. It's a really, really, really deep, dark brown, almost black. But I wanted to have it in here to really build dimension if I wanted. See, on the outer corner, you can just see it's a little more like, a little pulled back. I'm gonna take a little bit on the M433 as well and just kind of pat that in the outer corner. Ever so light, like bitch. Lightly, I said. Just a little love taps right there. Just give you that extra little oomph. Like I said, taking the same M433, and we're just patting that on the outer corner and just moving in just different motions so it doesn't stick to one spot and just kind of blends itself. But because it is a darker shade, like you kind of have to work with the darker shades a little bit more and blend around it, girl, blend around it. Okay, sickening. I'm gonna go ahead and toss on a lash, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so we have a pair of lashes on. This is the Lily Lashes So Extra Miami, a very fluffy, flirty pair. And I also went ahead and I did a brown waterline like eyeliner to make it give me more of a smoky effect, and put some mascara on. So that is what this looks like so far. Honestly, bitch, is sickening. Also, I wanted to do this on camera, of course. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some of the highlighters I have in the palette as well onto my inner corner and brow bone. I wanted to show you guys this on camera, of course. I'm gonna go ahead and take a little bit of Apollo, not E36, and Nova combined. Like literally, I just like dot into both of them. Get a little spritzy. I'm gonna go in the inner corner. Bitch. The difference? A little bit on the brow bone as well. I love it because Apollo is a really pretty golden highlight and Nova is a really pretty pinky peach highlight. And I just like to combine the two of them. It just depends on my mood, what I'm going for. And I always end up just combining them because I like the depth of the gold for different complexions, of course. Because I feel like gold complements like literally everyone. But I love that the pop of the pink with that like silvery undertone. Woo! I love it. Okay, cute. Now we're gonna move on to the lip. You guys, this is my go-to lip combinations because honestly, I love a new lip. I do. I enjoy it. I love that Hooker Nude. We're gonna take Backseat Love Lip Liner by Morphe. And you can see she's well loved. It's my go-to lip liner. It's just the perfect lip liner for me for my kind of nudes. Like it's like a really pretty pinky brown. You cannot tell me this lip liner is not the one. Bitch, this is like $3. Are you fucking kidding? Let's do a lippy. Let's do like Mac Myth. Like, let's really take it there. Holy fuck. Uh-huh. And now for the shine, I'm gonna take Lunar Beauty Dreamy Lip Gloss. This is one of my favorite glosses ever because I created it and it's sickening. Stunning, peachy, pink. More just peachy. This smells amazing. Bitch, this is me. Bitch, this is me. Look out, cause here I come. This is It's just funny whenever I get the lip on, the lashes on, the nude eye on, baby, she comes to fucking life. The personality change happens. She wants to pull her head back. She wants to be Kim K. Okay, let me stop. Anyways, guys, that is it for today's tutorial. I just want to show you guys what I like to do, what I like to use, what I love, and I am not ashamed to be a copper eye nude lip kind of bitch. I'm proud of it. I'm owning my basic bitch. I'm owning the basicness in me, and that is what this collaboration for me is about. Going back to my roots, it's about what I love. It's what I love doing. It's something I am proud of, and this collaboration gets me there. She puts me together, and it's 20 fucking bucks. The brush collection, sickening. My brush favorites is everything. This palette is everything, and I honestly think you guys will live your full fantasies. I believe it's live now. The collaboration is live. It's in all Morphe stores. You can get it online with the code, of course, MannyMua. You can use anyone's code you want. It doesn't even matter what code you want to use. You can use the code, and it'll be $18 for the 12 shades and 2 highlighters. So I think that is a really, really, really fair price, and I honestly wish I could do that with my own brand, but I can't, sadly, because it is very expensive to be made in the USA. And I can never do that. So that is why I did this collaboration, is because I wanted to create something that I was proud of at such an amazing price point, and that's why I did it. And I hope you guys love the nude fantasy, because I love it. I fucking love it. And if you guys love it, fucking do it. Don't be ashamed of the basic bitch in you, baby, because we all have a little bit of a glam basic bitch, and that is what she is. And I live. And I hope you guys live too. I love you guys so much. Have a great rest of the night or day wherever you guys are, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye. I love you. Is it twerking? Let me stop getting on a tangent. What is happening? I'm already starting. Should I scoot in? I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. Why not? Let's get it into these pores, ma'am. In the talks and in the works to do a okay. Are you kidding me? The fucking value, man. It's stunning. Ooh! Carefully, 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 carefully. Liberty, liberty, liberty. Ooh! We love a love tab. Oh my god, I sounded like fucking Olaf in Frozen. What the fuck? I love a hooker nude. Number? Did I just have a brain fart? I did.